There may also be requirements for profit sharing, or there may need to be changes to the compensation system to align with cultural values, and there may be expected bonuses or payments that you need to be aware of when trying to design compensation structures. Performance evaluations mainly talks about expats and who you might want to evaluate the expat. I'm not going to ask you too much about that. The international labor environment, we always want to think about, okay, what are the laws in place in the countries where we're operating? Are there differences in safety laws and requirements, compensation laws, age restrictions, leave, all of this sort of stuff. So HR managers in an international or multinational corporation really have to be aware of the laws in all of their different countries, which is why you might have local HR managers in each of those locales that would have kind of better knowledge of the laws and how they work. And then the last thing it talks about is logistics. I'm not going to ask you again for too much information about different kinds of visas or things like that. But just be aware that this is something else that makes international HR more complicated. So overall, make sure you know offshoring versus outsourcing. Know that culture can have an impact on the HR policies. Know what an expatriate is and why expatriates might fail. How maybe we can help with that. And some thoughts about how the HR system needs to change or the way things need to be done differently in a company that is operating in multiple countries or cultures.